Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my 12 Lego puzzle box. And yeah, if you don't know how to solve it, you could check out my channel. Yeah, I have a review of the 12 Lego puzzle box. Now I'm going to show you how to make it, and let's get started. So you need 2 layers of brick on the side here and here. There are 2 layers of bricks, and then smooth piece here, like that. Then you wanna take a 1x6 bricks and some smooth piece on top. Put that layer. Now this piece, 2x4 smooth piece. And then a 1x3 plate here, a corner piece here, and a 1x2 brick here. Then you want to take this piece and put it right in here. And make sure like a space right here needs to facing in the bricks, not facing on the side brick, like that. So like this. And the front looks like this. There. And then take this piece, slide it right into there. There. Like that. Then take a bricks, 1x2 bricks here, some brick right there, and then in this middle side, take a brick that has 2 holes in it, like this. Then just put bricks here, and this part right here, 2 of this 1x3 plate and a 1x3 smooth pieces. There, and smooth piece right here. Pause the video and make that. Then on the bottom, a 1x6 brick right there and a 2x4 plate. Right there. This drops. Yeah, now put this piece here, the plate facing here, like that. There. Okay, now you wanna take this piece right here. Okay, so a 1x4 plate and a 1x3 plate, and I think a 1x1 plate right here, a 1x1 plate right here, a 1x1 smooth piece, another 1x1 smooth piece there, then a 1x1 plate, and I think a 1x2 plate like this, and then a 1x2 smooth piece. That plate right, a 1x2 plate right there, and a 1x3 smooth piece right there. And you want to take this piece and I think slide it right into here, like that. Okay, take a 1x6 smooth piece and a 1x2 of this 1x2 plate over there. Take this piece, slide it into here, like that. And I will take this piece, put it out because it keeps filling out. Then you're gonna put some plates on top of it, like this. Just put some plates on top of the brick. And I want to warn you, just put some plate here, but except for this part right here. Except for that. Okay, so now there's another layer. There's 6x6 plate, 2x2 plate under there, like that. And I think some bricks here, and I think 1x4. I think 1x4 smooth piece there, and a 1x2 smooth piece there. Make sure this piece could slide like this. Just make sure that smooth piece inside there. Then took this 1x3 plate and a 1x3 smooth piece there. And I think just some bricks here. Now take this layer, put it on top of here, like this. Now the last layer is the roof part. Okay, so a 6x6 plate, smooth piece on top. You don't need that anyways. Yeah, it just make it smooth. Now this part looks confusing. So some bricks here and some plate here, bricks here. Two of this 1x1 plate, and then a 1x2 plate right there. I mean, this one is a 1x2 plate. Pause the video and make that. And I think take this piece, put it on top of here. But you need to put it. You don't need that yet. You need this first. So your price box is a 3x4 plate, some smooth piece here, and a 1x4 couch piece. You wanna put your price there. It could be a coin. And slide your box in here, like that. No, okay. This piece is okay. A corner piece under, and a 1x2 plate under, a corner piece again. Yeah, like that. And a 1x2 plate, a 1x1 plate there. Turn it over. Put a 1x4 smooth piece and a 1x2 smooth piece there. A 1x1 plate and a 1x1 smooth piece. A 1 smooth piece there. It's not very stable, so careful with that. It's my price. Take this piece, I need that price later. Take this piece, slide it right into here. Oops, I broke it. It's kind of frustrating. Yeah, I'm going to put that later. Okay, I think like that. Just slide it into it. Come on. Okay, there. Finally. Now put your price back and take the roof. Put it on top, like this. Okay, so put this. Now you wanna put a key in. Okay, so you wanna slide this wall there. Put this stick, 3 stud long. Put it in here. Slide. You wanna. Push this button right here and slide this out. It comes. Come on. Now push that button. It's going to come out. Okay, so slide. I think. Now take this key right here. Push it in. This piece is going to come out. Now take this piece. Put it in here, like that. It's going to look like that. Put this piece back in. There. Now you want to shake it like this. Now you want to put this key back in. You need to shake it or this piece won't come in. Yeah. Now the last one is take this key, put it back in here. Slide the wall. Take this piece. Put it in here. Okay, yeah. So that's how you make my 12 Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoy and yeah. Bye bye.